Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Arun. Okay, so I've been getting a ton of questions about how I make my outfits look so effortlessly chic, how I'm trying to be more, sustainable. Don't worry, I'm not about to tell you to start growing your own cotton or anything. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and totally doable. Sustainable fashion for the lazy girl. Because let's be real, we want to save the planet, but we also want to look cute while doing it. Right? Right. So if you're ready to level up your wardrobe and be a little kinder to Mother Earth without actually trying that hard, then keep on watching. First up, let's talk about creating a capsule wardrobe. You guys have probably heard about this a million times, but seriously, it's a game changer. Especially if you're the kind of person who stands in front of your closet every morning I have nothing to wear. Been there. So, what exactly a capsule wardrobe? Basically, it's all about having a few key pieces. Think a great pair of jeans, a white t-shirt, that perfect little black dress that you can mix and match without even thinking. And the best part, you can totally tailor it to your own personal style. If you're all about that streetwear vibe, your capsule wardrobe is going to look way different than someone who's super into cottagecore. The point is, you're choosing quality over quantity, and you're only keeping pieces that you absolutely love and actually wear. It's like decluttering your closet and your life at the same time. It's a win-win. Next, let's talk about thrift shopping, which is basically my love language. Seriously, if you haven't jumped on the thrifting train yet, what are you waiting for? It's not only sustainable because you're giving clothes a second life, but it's also super fun. It's like a treasure hunt for your wardrobe. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Thrifting? Isn't that a lot of work? But trust me, it's so worth it. Plus, you can totally make a day of it with your friends. Blast some music while you're browsing. It's an entire vibe. My biggest tip for successful thrifting? Patience, my friend. You have to be down to dig through the racks and not get discouraged if you don't find anything amazing right away. It's all about the thrill of the hunt. And when you find that perfect vintage denim jacket or that one-of-a-kind graphic tee, oh my god, it's the best feeling ever. Plus, you're saving money the planet. Okay, let's talk about quality over quantity. I feel like our parents have been trying to teach us this forever, and now I'm finally starting to get it. It's so tempting to buy into fast fashion trends, especially when it's so cheap and accessible. Believe me, I've been there. But let's be real, those pieces fall apart after 2 washes, and then you have to replace them, and it's just a whole cycle of waste. Not cute. Instead, focus on investing in a few high-quality pieces that are made to last. Yes, it might seem like a bigger spend up front, but trust me, these pieces are going to last you way longer and save you money in the long run. Plus, when you have clothes that are made well and fit you perfectly, you're just more confident, It's like an instant confidence boost, and that, my friends, is priceless. Okay, this next tip is for my crafty queens out there, DIY fashion. Upcycling old clothes is not only super sustainable, but it's also a really fun way to get creative and give your wardrobe a refresh without spending any money. Like that old band tee that you've had since high school but never wear anymore? Boom! Turn it into a cute crop top or even a tote bag. That pair of jeans that's just sitting in the back of your closet? Distress them, add some patches, turn them into cutoffs. The possibilities are endless. There are literally tons of tutorials on YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, you name it. You can find inspiration everywhere. And the best part is, you don't have to be a master seamstress to do it. Some of the coolest DIY projects are super easy, even for beginners. Finally, let's talk about supporting sustainable brands. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sustainable brands? That sounds expensive. And yeah, some of them can be, but there are also so many amazing, affordable options out there these days. The key is to do your research. Look for brands that use eco-friendly materials like organic cotton or recycled fabrics and pay their workers fair wages. You can literally find everything from basics to statement pieces from sustainable brands now. And the best part? By supporting these brands, you're not only getting awesome clothes, but you're also sending a message to the fashion industry that you care about the planet and ethical manufacturing. It's like voting with your wallet. And there you have it, folks. The Lazy Girl's Guide to Looking Chic and Being Sustainable. See? It's not that hard to make a difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite sustainable fashion tips are. See you in the next video. Peace out.